Welcome to our video on how to make money with ChatGPT in affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll show you how to leverage the power of GPT-3 to generate high-quality content and drive affiliate sales, potentially earning you up to $600 per day. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking for new ways to boost your income, this video has something for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make money with ChatGPT in affiliate marketing. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for future updates before watching this video. Let's get started. What is ChatGPT? A pre-trained language model called ChatGPT was created by OpenAI. It is based on the design of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is a type of transformer neural network. The model is trained on a massive dataset of human-generated text, which enables it to generate human-like text. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text that is coherent, fluent, and contextually appropriate. The model has been trained in a diverse range of texts, including books, articles, and websites, which gives it a broad understanding of human language and enables it to generate text that is relevant to a wide range of topics. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for a variety of language tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and conversation. The fine-tuning process involves training the model on a smaller dataset specific to the task, which allows it to adapt to the specific requirements of that task. In terms of integration, ChatGPT can be integrated into various applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, language translation systems, and more. For instance, it can be used to generate responses in a conversational context, such as in a chatbot, or to generate summaries of a longer document. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate high-quality text that is appropriate for a wide range of language tasks and applications. How does it work? ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer, model, which is a transformer-based neural network trained on a large corpus of text data. Given the context of the preceding words, the model is trained to predict the following word in a string of words. An encoder and a decoder make up the model. The encoder takes in a sequence of words and converts them into a fixed-length vector representation, known as the context vector. The decoder then uses this context vector to generate the next word in the sequence. In the training phase, the model is fed with a large amount of text data and learns to predict the next word given the context. Once the model is trained, it can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, such as language translation, summarization, and question answering. For the chatbot application, the model is fine-tuned on conversational data and learns the patterns of human conversation. The chatbot can then generate responses to user inputs based on the patterns it has learned during the fine-tuning phase. The model uses a technique called beam search during the generation phase, where it considers multiple possible next words and chooses the one that has the highest probability of being the correct next word given the context. This allows the model to generate more coherent and fluent responses. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for natural language processing tasks, particularly in the field of chatbot development. How could ChatGPT help its creators? There are several ways in which the creators of ChatGPT can benefit from the model. Revenue generation. One of the most obvious benefits of ChatGPT is the potential to generate revenue through its commercial applications. ChatGPT can be used to develop chatbots for various industries, such as customer service, e-commerce, and healthcare. Companies can pay for the use of these chatbots, providing a source of income for the creators of ChatGPT. Research advancement. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for natural language processing research. The creators of ChatGPT can use the model to conduct research in various NLP tasks, such as language translation, summarization, and question answering. This can lead to advancements in the field of NLP, which can be beneficial for the creators in terms of academic recognition and career opportunities. Product development. ChatGPT can be used as a building block for other NLP products and services. The creators can use the model to develop other NLP-based products, such as language translators, summarization tools, and question answering systems. This can lead to the development of new products and services that can be commercialized and generate revenue. Open source. ChatGPT is an open source model, which means that the creators can benefit from a community of developers and researchers who use and contribute to the model. This can lead to faster development, increased usage, and more contributions to the model, which can benefit the creators in terms of recognition and revenue. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can provide many benefits for its creators. It can generate revenue, advance research, enable product development and open source contributions, and provide many opportunities for recognition and career growth. Blog article. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing, where an individual or company, the affiliate, promotes a product or service on behalf of a merchant and receives a commission for any resulting sales. ChatGPT, a variant of GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer, a model is a powerful tool that can be used to assist with affiliate marketing efforts. When writing a blog article about affiliate marketing using ChatGPT, it is important to first provide an overview of what affiliate marketing is and how it works. This could include information on how affiliates are compensated, the types of products and services that can be promoted, and the benefits of affiliate marketing for merchants and affiliates. Next, it's essential to explain how ChatGPT can be used in affiliate marketing. This could include information on using ChatGPT for affiliate link generation, product review generation, email campaigns, social media posts, and landing page content. It's important to provide examples and use cases to illustrate how ChatGPT can be used in these specific areas of affiliate marketing. Additionally, it's important to mention the benefits of using ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. For example, how it can save time and effort for the affiliate marketer, increase the chances of conversions, and how the model can ensure that the links, review, and content generated is relevant, coherent, and natural. It's also worth mentioning the potential challenges and limitations of using ChatGPT for affiliate marketing and providing tips and best practices for using the model effectively. To conclude, a blog article about affiliate marketing using ChatGPT should provide a comprehensive overview of affiliate marketing, explain how ChatGPT can be used in this context, and highlight the benefits and potential challenges of using the model. It should also include examples and use cases to illustrate how ChatGPT can be used in various areas of affiliate marketing and provide tips and best practices for using the model effectively. Affiliate link generation is the process of creating unique links that track the performance of an affiliate marketing campaign. These links are used to redirect customers to the merchant's website and are typically embedded within content such as blog posts, email campaigns, and social media posts. ChatGPT can be trained on affiliate marketing data to generate unique affiliate links for products or services. By using natural language processing and machine learning techniques, the model can understand the context of a given piece of content and generate a relevant affiliate link. For example, if a blogger is writing an article on the best laptops for students and wants to include affiliate links to different laptop models, ChatGPT can be used to generate unique affiliate links for each laptop model that is mentioned in the article. Using ChatGPT for affiliate link generation has several benefits. It can save time and effort for the affiliate marketer, as the model can generate multiple links quickly and accurately. Additionally, the model can ensure that the links are relevant to the content, which can increase the chances of conversions. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used to generate an affiliate link for different platforms such as e-commerce, travel, and booking platforms. In summary, affiliate link generation through ChatGPT is a way of using the model's ability to understand the context and generate relevant and unique affiliate links for a specific piece of content or a specific product or service. This can save time and increase the chances of conversions for affiliate marketers. Product review generation. Product review generation is the process of creating written or video reviews of a specific product or service. These reviews are used to inform potential customers about the features and benefits of a product or service and can influence their purchasing decision. ChatGPT can be trained on product review data To generate written reviews for a specific product or service. By using natural language processing and machine learning techniques, the model can understand the characteristics of a product or service and generate a relevant and coherent review. For example, if an affiliate marketer wants to promote a specific brand of headphones and wants to include a product review in a blog post, ChatGPT can be used to generate a written review of the headphones. The model can understand the features of the headphones and generate a review that highlights the benefits of the product. Using ChatGPT for product review generation has several benefits. It can save time and effort for the affiliate marketer, as the model can generate multiple reviews quickly and accurately. Additionally, the model can ensure that the reviews are relevant, coherent, and natural, which can increase the credibility of the review and the chances of conversions. Additionally, by fine-tuning the model on multiple review data, the model can be trained to generate reviews for different products and services, and the marketer can use them to promote a wide variety of products. Moreover, ChatGPT can also be used to generate video reviews by providing the model with a script or a voiceover where the model can add in the necessary details and make the script coherent and more natural. In summary, product review generation through ChatGPT is a way of using the model's ability to understand the characteristics of a product or service and generate relevant, coherent, natural, and credible reviews. This can save time and increase the chances of conversions for affiliate marketers, as well as providing them with the ability to generate reviews for a wide range of products and services. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when new videos are posted.